Hello everyone. In this exercise of SolidWorks, we will understand about the band table and the whole table for a sheet metal part which I have created this one. I have created a sheet metal part this one. And we will also understand how to create the flatten view also. This is the sheet metal part I have created. We will understand about the whole table, band table, and the flatten view of this one. Let's start. This is the part. I go in the file, and there are the numerous way in order to make the 2D drawing for the sheet or any part. This one. Suppose I go in this file new. From here I go in the drawing. Okay. And from select the sheet metal part here, this one. This is a different type of the sheet format here. ISO A2 and OK. And this part comes here, I bring here. But I will not go in this way. Okay. I will not go in this way. Don't save. I am starting again fresh. I am going to start fresh again. File, open. First, open the part or file new. I am going in this way. File, new, drawing, and OK. This one. This is the this window comes here. Here I have to select the size of the sheet, and I am selecting this A2 ISO. And size of the sheet is width is 594 and 420 is the height. Okay. This window comes here, model view, but I am not here. You can select the part, and this window comes here. I am not going this way, crossing. At the right hand side there is a task pane. Here is a view palette here, this one, but there is no view is coming here. No part is coming here. How I can bring the part? In the adjacent to this down arrow key, there are three button with the three dots. Click here, click here. This same window comes here, and required part you can any part required for you is can be selected. Open this one. This comes here. You will see in the task pane, this view palette, there are the different view of the part comes here. Okay, and if it doesn't come, this is a refresh button here. There is a refresh button here. Comes here, you can refresh it, then it will appear all the views of the part. And this is the cancel. If you want to cancel it, cancel it. Okay. So view palette, and I am taking the flatten view here. This one. This is a flatten view. Okay. And this window comes here. Right. Again, view palette, I am taking the isometric view. This one. This is coming here. This window comes here. In the display style, in the bottom, you will find display style. You can check. This is the hidden view applicable. This without hidden view. This is this one. This is without edges. This one. I am selecting this one, high quality. Okay, custom scale you can change here from. But from here, if you change the custom scale, if you select this one, only the scale of this will be changed. Okay, if you select this one, and again this window comes here. If you change it, you select this custom, then the scale will be changed. But there is one more way. In the bottom, you will find there is here. You will find the scale of the drawing. You can change the scale of the drawing. Okay. Suppose user defined. The present, this scale is 1:5. If you change from here, suppose I change 4, 1:4, it will reduce, but it will change both the views. Okay. This one. If you suppose 1:5, you select it, user defined 1:5. This one, this change here. So you can change from here also, okay, and you also change from here, user defined 4 and okay. Okay, in this way you can change the scale of this one. Now if you still want to change the sheet of the drawing, here left hand side you find that sheet, right click, properties, you can still change. Suppose you want to change 5, again 5, angle of projection you can change. You can still change the sheet side of the sheet. You can again select A1, A2, etc. Apply changes, close. Okay, this one. Actually, we have to understand in this drawing, this is the flattened view of the part. Okay, this is the flattened view of the part. So sometimes if you want to bring the dimensions of the part, how you can bring, select the view, this and go in the annotation and the model items, and selected feature, source selected feature, import items into all tools. Click here, and this one, mark for the drawing, not mark for the drawing. Select both the things. Okay, and click this one, and yes, this one. But this is showing no dimension is coming. This one, annotation, and sorry, this one, model items, import items into all feature, this one, in this one, and from here layer format, this one. Yes, this dimensions comes here. In this way you can bring the dimension. You can go select the view, model items, and selected feature, import items, and you can select, and from here include items from the hidden feature, and from here you can select the format layer. In this way, these dimensions will appear. If you want, if you want to delete any dimension which is not required by you, select it and delete it this way. In this way you can delete it. This one you can delete it, and you can arrange the things here. This one. Okay, and suppose you are seeing the point, there are 0 are appearing after point. You can remove from here option. You can go from here and document property, dimension, and from here bottom you will find trailing zeros, trailing your dimension, show and remove, and this okay, and this is 0 will be removed. In this way you can remove 0. Sometimes at the one position there are the many band lines that cruises. There are the band nodes here. Here you will see down 90 degree radius R2, and this one. These are confusing. So in order to for this we bring a whole table. Okay, sometimes band nodes are not clear. There are at one position there are many band lines comes here. So in that case we bring generate the whole table. How? In the command manager you go in this one, and there is a band table here. Band table, select the view, select this window comes here. You can select the different nomenclature ABC you want to select, or point digits you want to select. I am selecting this one. This is the this is the border of the table. You can line weight of the border. Suppose I select 0.35, and this is the inner lines. Suppose 0.25. Layer format, if you select format, because no color has been applied, so that will be tables border and lines color will be black, and text format is all uppercases. This one, select hit button, and this table comes here. You see the all the lines are black color, and this one, and this table contains tag, direction, angle, inner radius, ABC. These are the tags. This is the direction, up and down bands. Here is the up band, 90 degree, 1 point is the inner radius of them. In this way, this one. In this way you can bring the band table. Suppose still you have a problem, so then you select all these tags. Select this one, shift this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. A all band nodes I am selected, band tags, and in this, and here in the case of the leader you select this one. At present there is no leader, this one, and select this one and select this one. Okay, and this is the format layer, and all uppercase. Use document fonts. You can change the size of the fonts. Suppose I take 6 mm. Okay, this one, this one. This is the, you will see leaders appears. So in this way you can visualize where is the band is properly coming here. In this way you can apply the ladder also. Okay, suppose you want to these for these holes, these are the hole callouts. You can bring here this one, hole callouts in this one, 4 holes into 20 into 3 through hole, 22 mm dia for this one. Suppose you want to create a table for these holes. How you can create? So tables, this is the whole table, and you first select the x-axis and y-axis, 0 this one, and y-axis this one, and edges, faces. I am selecting this one, this, and this one. You can select this one, and you can still change the border line thickness. Suppose I am taking 0.35, and this is the inner lines thickness 0.25, layer format, and all uppercase. Okay, and select whole table. This whole table is coming, you will see this one. This contains tags for the holes, x location, y location, and side of the hole. This one you still want to change. You want to suppose change the digit numerical value for this one, and this one, and this one. So the tags become in the numerical forms. In this way you can control parts can be machined for this one with these holes. Okay, as per these are the coordinates of this one. Okay, in this way you can create the band table and the whole table. Okay, I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. You please like, share, and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much.